Today we'll be counting down the top 5 roller coasters at Walibi Holland. If you haven't been to this theme park, we recommend you check out our 10-minute tour. If you have already been here, let's get started with roller coaster number 5. The sound gets its name as it is an onboard soundtrack. This classic boomerang roller coaster is a coach roll and a loop and reaches a top speed of 76 km per hour. Are you ready to Number 4. When we joined the queue for Express, we had absolutely no idea what we were in for, as you can't really see what it is from the outside, and we were pleasantly surprised to find out it was a launch coaster. Fun fact, this roller coaster is almost identical to the Rock and Roller Coaster located in various Disney parks. 3. Lost Gravity is up next. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last. And to believe in what you got, it was built to last. 2. Second place is the Mighty Goliath. This beast of a machine is made of steel, designed by Intamin, and is a mega coaster. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love. Before we reveal our number 1, don't forget to like and subscribe. An honourable mention for Condor, but we decided this one was a bit too much of a headbanger to be in our top 1. It will come as no surprise to anybody who's ever been to Walibi Holland that Untamed is the top of this list. But did you know that Untamed is the first hybrid roller coaster in Europe? This means that the construction is made of 100% wood and the track is made of 100% steel. The full POV of all of these roller coasters you can find on our channel. Did you agree with our list? Let us know in the comments.